All right, both of you don't turn yet. Take 2 steps back.
Like
towards each other. Yep. There we go. And actually, you know what? Go ahead and keep going back until you touch each other and grab hands.
Hi.
Okay. And then I want you to turn around.
Welcome, everybody. My name is Blair. I have the honor of standing up here with these incredibly beautiful humans to perform this ceremony today. On behalf of Mark and Austin, we are all so grateful that you're all here. So we get to celebrate love today. We get to celebrate Mark and Austin. And how lucky are we, right? This wedding feels like the next fun, exciting, and beautiful chapter in one of the best love stories of our time. It was the pure language of the world. It required no explanation. Just as the universe needs none as it travels through endless time. Because when you know that language, it's easy to understand that someone in the world awaits you. Whether it's in the middle of the desert, or in some great city, or in a college town in the mountains of North Carolina. And when two such people encounter each other and their eyes meet, the past and the future become unimportant. There's only that moment, the perfect moment, and the incredible certainty that everything under the sun has been written by one hand only. It is the hand that evokes love and creates a twin soul for every person in the world. Without such love, one's dreams would have no meaning. I want the two of you to turn and look at these faces. Look at your family and your friends. Look at the people who love and celebrate you. Look at the smiles and the support. Reflect on laughs and memories instead of tears. That would be awesome. There will be times in your future together when you feel alone. When you feel like it's the two of you and your super cats against the world. But I want you to remember this moment and these people, and remember everyone here that's on your side forever.
But then again, no, or a man
This looks so good.
who makes potions and travel and show. I know it's not much, but it's the best I can do. My gift is my song, and this one's for you. And you can tell everybody this is your song. It may be quite simple, but now that it's done, I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind that I put down in the words how wonderful life is while you're